That is why, you know, part of what I told you, Joe, is communicating, you know. And I hope this time round I find a medium where I can engage, you know. And I am ready to go to this X place to engage with them. And I want to tell them, this is my plan, okay? Tell me how I can make this better. Tell me this is not good enough, you know. Change this. Because I have seen some of the demands they have made. They have said that don't hire CASs. And I agree with them. They have said, remove the office of the first lady, the spouse of the second lady and all that. And I have agreed with them. They have said a couple of things that we already are in agreement. They have, of course, said some of the things, abolish the office of women rep. I've seen they have also said we should reduce the salaries of MPs to 200,000 or something. Some of those things are things that are not in my power. Those are the things that we need to do a whole of society, a whole of nation approach, so that if we are bringing down salaries from 1.1 trillion to 700 billion, that is something I am willing and I am ready to start with my own salary, going down to salaries of others so that we can all live within our means.